Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Google Chat application on iPhone. I would like to show you the way how you can use the Google Chat application on your iPhone. Start from the beginning. First thing you have to do is just install the application. You can open the App Store and the app library, and then just need to go click it. And then after it's opened, now you just need to go click the search button down part here, and then you just need to go type the Google Chat. And make sure that you are installing the application with this symbols or this icon. And whenever you perfectly install it, there will be open button here, so you just need to go click it. So this is the look whenever you are first timer using the application. And now you just need to tap the only button that appears on your screen, which is the get started. Go click it, and they will be bring you into your Google account that already registered into your phone. And then you just need to pick one of the account that you want to use to open the Google Chat application. You just need to turn on the button into the account that you choose, and then you just need to go click done. And they will be bring you into your Google Chat application. If you want to start the chat, you just need to go click this bubble, and they will be bring you into an option of this ID. So you just need to add the email of your friends that you want to send the chat. Just click it, and they will be bring you into the blank conversation, and then you just need to type what you want to type here, and then you just need to go click send. And you just need to wait until you get a reply from the person that you sent the message to. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.